Welcome back. Now, when you export the audio for the final processing, you will be asked to create metadata. But you can begin creating that metadata even before you get to that point. And so you can go to the edit command, and you can then go to your metadata table, and you can begin writing in the values as you know them, even prior to final processing. Now, it's quite possible that you may come to the end, and you may need to add in a tag for this particular audio that you're doing. All you'll need to do is to write in what you feel like that tag is going to be. Of course, if you need to add a category, you can click Add. Then you'll have a category added in here at the end. Once you have all of your tags you're going to use for your metadata, you can then click OK. If you feel as if you're going to be using this over and over again, you can save this as a template. And so we can click the Save in order to use this template over and over again. We would then save this inside of Audacity. And then we can click Save after we had given it a name. Once we've done that, we can then click OK. And then our metadata is ready to go with our exported file. And again, we will get another opportunity when we get ready to render the file. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.